All right, thank you so much. Hey, also new at 4, summer means more time outdoors, in and around water. Drowning remains the leading cause of death for young children, so it's really important to keep safety top priority. Joining us now with tips from Children's Hospital, of course, Dr. Shannon Cohen. So first question, when we think of drowning and we think water safety, we really think of pools and lakes and oceans, but there are a whole lot of other places children can drown.
Right, some things you might not even think of in your bathroom, bathtub, and even a bucket of water that you're using to mop could be a hazard for a child.
Wow, I wouldn't even have thought of that, a bucket or something. What are some of the warning signs of a child being in danger, maybe in or around water?
Right, so sometimes they get into trouble and they're not able to tell you, right? You might just see that their head is low in the water with the mouth at the water level. Their head is tilted back with the mouth open trying to get air. They could be hyperventilating or gasping. You could notice that they're kind of glossy-eyed, not really focusing, or they're not using their legs, and so the signs of distress could be very subtle.
Okay, so when you think about it, you think someone flailing and crying for help, but a little kid, that may not be the case at all.
Exactly.
Got it. Okay, and what are some of the ways we can prevent drowning before it even happens?
Right, so prevention is always the key with this. One good thing, swimming lessons, but of course that doesn't prevent drowning fully.
Sure.
So you want to make sure that somebody is monitoring the child. Yeah. We suggest that at pool parties you could have a designated adult to monitor and watch the children in the pool.
Like a lifeguard?
Exactly,
yep.
To make sure that no one gets into trouble. Life jackets if you're around a boat. If having the pool enclosed, making sure the gate is locked and closed. Sure. Having adults learn CPR in case there were to be an accident.
Good point, good point. And then, what is a near drowning? I think I've heard of this, but this is something that people don't really think about. What exactly is a near drowning?
So that means that a child has suffered some degree of suffocation from being submerged in the water. And it could be very mild, from very brief, and you pulled them out and they responded immediately, okay, to a prolonged submersion to where they actually even have long-term implications for that. Oh. But if near drowning means there's just a degree of suffocation that doesn't end their life.
Okay. Thank you so much for that information. As always, you are wonderful and so very helpful. Hey, if you have a question about your child's health you'd like answered, email anchor Lori Tucker at ltucker@wate.com, and then tune in to Channel 6 every Thursday at 4 to see if we answer your question right here on the air.